Good afternoon, Manufacturing All-Stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, you are going to learn how leveraging both device data mixed with human data can make you more effective in your operation. I'm joined once again by Dave Wickman, our product owner for FactoryTalk Analytics for Devices. Cheers, Dave.
Cheers. Good to be back, Chris.
Hey, welcome back. So, Dave, I just want to start things off with a bit of my understanding right now, because this is another edition within our embedded analytics mini-series where we're talking about FactoryTalk Analytics for Devices and FactoryTalk Team 1. And the way I've kind of interpreted it is, we're taking a lot of device data through FactoryTalk Analytics for Devices, mixing with the human data that's available from the FactoryTalk Team 1 app. And with that, we're finding ways for people to be more productive through collaboration on the plant floor. And some of the things we've talked about that are new to the platform are push notifications. Can you share how that is kind of the next step in this collaborative evolution?
Yeah, absolutely. So during our lean agile development process, we talked to multiple different customers that really love these action cards, being able to get that information of faulted devices or things that needed maintenance on them. But we're looking for a way to kind of enhance that experience where instead of going to just one single screen, now they could get that push notification in their cell phones, in their iPads instantly without having to leave their particular area where they're maintaining something or some meeting that they're in.
And so take us back one more step. So this one single screen was available within
Shelby.
Within Shelby,
yes.
And now you added that to the FactoryTalk Team 1 app, where you're getting that information like pushed to you like you would a normal push notification on your phone versus kind of having to go into Shelby like you were referring to before.
Exactly. So it's as simple as adding that Shelby to your FactoryTalk Team 1 Connect module.
Got it, okay.
After you add that, we take care of the rest.
Okay.
So that Connect module will talk to our Shelby, which will talk right back to your Team 1 team. And as soon as that device health status changes, we'll send a push notification to your entire team.
Well, that's awesome, because when I think of ways that I can be more effective, I'm looking for that push notification, like on my phone, for example. So like when that's popping up, that allows me to address what is most critical at that time, whether that's something coming from someone on the team, whether that's something coming from a device. So I love the direction that you're going with that. I would say, as a call to action, what are some next steps you recommend for folks that are interested in this to check out?
Sure, absolutely. They just need to simply take a look at our literature portal and take a look at our FactoryTalk Analytics for Devices and FactoryTalk Team 1 design guides.
Awesome. As always, I'll have a link to that below this video. In the meantime, Dave, thanks so much for jumping back on the show.
Yes, cheers. Good to be here.
Hey, cheers, Dave. And for the rest of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty. We'll catch you back here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.